Part 3. You will hear two marketing students, Jack and Chloe, discussing a lecture on the history and future of the retail industry. First, you have some time to look at questions 21 to 24. Now listen carefully and answer questions 21 to 24.
That lecture on the evolution of retail yesterday was fascinating, wasn't it? I never really thought about how the arrival of the first department stores in the 19th century completely changed society.
I agree. It was really interesting to hear how the small, independent shopkeepers reacted at the time. I didn't realize there was such a backlash.
Yeah, they were terrified. The speed of technological change back then was actually quite slow, but they thought these huge new stores like Selfridges or Harrods would destroy their livelihoods. It's very similar to how high street shops feel about Amazon and online giants today.
Exactly. History repeating itself. I wondered if there was any government reaction to protect them, but the professor said the politicians just let it happen. In the end, the small shops didn't disappear completely, they just had to adapt.
True. I also found the professor's predictions for the future surprisingly positive. He seems to think that physical shops will never die out, because humans crave social interaction.
I'm not sure I share his optimism, Jack.
Really? Did you think his argument was confusing?
No, he explained it clearly enough, and I don't think he was being realistic either. He was definitely overly optimistic.
Why do you say that? Some experts think malls might just sell more luxury goods, or even disappear completely.
I don't think they will vanish overnight, and they won't just be for the rich. But he argued that shopping malls will become community hubs where people go just to hang out and do social activities. If you look at the statistics, footfall in malls is dropping every year. Why would people drive to a mall to hang out when they can socialize online and get groceries delivered?
I suppose. And what about his point about personalization? That technology will make the shopping experience more personalized? Will that reduce the cost of goods?
Not necessarily. And while some fear it will lead to higher unemployment, I don't think that's the main issue. The personalization part I do agree with. AI knowing what I want before I do is already happening.
It's a bit scary though, isn't it? But we both agree it's the most likely outcome.